Welcome to Toolkit.law, your legal tech command center. From the home page, click Numbers, then navigate to the Assets section. Under the Assets category, open the Financial Benefits accordion to access tools designed to simplify the reporting of recurring income streams. These calculators help you track and organize details for pensions, Social Security, child support, disability benefits, and more. With clear, copy-ready outputs, you can easily use the results in disclosures, affidavits, or court filings. No spreadsheets required. Every tool is cloud-based and built for fast, accurate results wherever you work. Whether you're managing a family law matter, estate administration, or benefits litigation, Toolkit.law brings structure and clarity to financial benefit reporting. Explore the financial benefits tools today, and don't forget to check out our full productivity suites and sign up for the Toolkit.law certified user webinar to take your legal workflow to the next level.